Welcome, welcome. Yes. Foreign woman wake up this morning and she hear one piece of tracing a go on from her next door neighbor. And somebody trouble Marcia. Yes. Them trouble Marcia head chip. Yes. Her mouth never normal at all. Yes. She cuss and she go on bad because the person go pan Ashanti and talk up all the thing about her. And her head chip out because I think Dr. Trouble in a trouble her too. So that make her fuse blow out completely, yes. But I don't think so. Yeah, she said she have 1,000 US figure people who know the woman. But Marcia, me know the woman, you know. Yeah, me know the woman, I want 1,000 US, so you can get in touch with me for the information, yes. Me know who. But you know what? You know, the woman shouldn't have gone for Ashanti, and Ashanti shouldn't make somebody company and show up to talk up the things them about her. So me not agree with that at all. No, that is totally wrong. Yes. So me I go say, Marcia, me agree with you for cuss and galang, but me couldn't cuss like that. I don't know them the kind of word there. Me don't have them the kind of vocabulary really there. But anyway, me can sympathize with you for how you was feeling and you know so and so. But me did send you some carbolic soap to wash out your mouth and some Dettol soap. But one woman take it. But me no know say you and her have the same name, you see, that her government name. So she did think of her and she take it. But me left them with her, me tell her to take it. Because me fear I want to wash out too. So me I go send you some more carbolic soap. Alright. Anyway, Marcia, look after your mental health. No make the people there upset you too much. Yes. Yes. Alright then. You take care of yourself. Yeah, foreign woman is out now.